Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Welcome back. Welcome back. Give me one sec, guys. Just gotta. Okay. We are good to go. I think so. Let me see. Yeah, we good. All right. Awesome, guys. Let's go. Welcome. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Is everybody's doing great? Okay. It's gonna be an interesting morning. Market is a little crazy, dude, right now. Yeah, I know. I shaved a little too short. I know. I look like a young kid right now. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, so let me know if the sound is loud and clear in the chat. I did change mic settings, so I don't know if I'm good or is it the same or a little bit better. I don't know. I'm trying to. I'm not a techie guy, so I do apologize about that. So, anyone can post the link in the Set and Forget Discord will be appreciated. Thank you. I did send a little message earlier, but I did not have time to post the link actually because I was already late. Man, for once I was in advance. I swear. For once I was in advance. I was like, all right, let's get started early, and StreamYard didn't want to do it. I don't know, and had to restart my computer, so it sucks. Anyways, let's go see the chat very quickly before we get going. All right, good morning, Krish. How you doing? Good morning, Bilal. How are you guys? All is good? Perfect. Excelente. We'll send it. Thank you so much, Krish. All right, cool. All right, so by the way, guys, welcome. So this is a live trading session. If I do see trades happening this morning, obviously I'm going to take it with you. That's the goal. Unfortunately, since now that I'm more day trading and swing trading, it's more rare that it happens. When I was trading mostly scalp, I was always taking trade lives. If you see my previous 2 years streaming, or actually maybe 3 years now. I don't know. I have a hard time keeping track of time. But yeah, I've always been trading live since a long time ago. But we're gonna break down some charts, see if there's any opportunity right now or in the next upcoming days. By the way, guys, quick update on the boot camp. I didn't do any posts yet. I'm gonna do one probably today or tomorrow just to secure the last two spots because the only place where I talked about it was mostly on the live session and on the Forex Talk over here. So I fixed the price to $3.99 US. So that's one thing. So price is fixed to $3.99, and that's gonna include a weekend of boot camp, or like what I'm gonna do depending on time zone of the people. I'm probably gonna do like 5 nights and or alternating with nights and mornings so everybody can join in the live session. And for the one that can't, they're gonna have the recording the next day, or actually the same day. Plus, you guys are gonna also have access to my existing recorded course, followed by a 3-month mentorship in a private Discord with the 12 of us. 12 of you plus me, so 13 people. So it's gonna be very, very exclusive and very private. Okay, so that's it. That's the only thing I wanted to give you an update on. So we got 2 spots left only for the boot camp. Okay, so morning, Emmy. Hopefully you're doing good. All right, so let's jump into it, guys. Enough talking, more trading. Actually, let me stand up. Let's put this desk up. Oh, I can't wait to actually get on the balance. I think it's tomorrow, our last day. Is it tomorrow? So technically, if tomorrow's my last day, so Thursday, I'm gonna, yeah, weight myself. I think I'm gonna crush that 20-pound drop. Like last week, I was at 17. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna crush 20. So I'm pretty excited about that. So only in 30 days, dude. It's sick. Plus, I got paid like over $5,600 for basically losing weight. Anyone interested? Hit me up. Okay, so now enough talking. Okay, let's go. Let's see. Oh, I just dropped water. Okay, let's start with GJ. Let's start with GJ, guys. I think this week live session is going to be fast because I don't think there's a lot of opportunity. But again, if you have anything that you saw, let me know in the chat and we'll go check it a little later on. But let's start with GJ first. So let's see, GJ, we are at a high once again. Yeah, so already I'm not interested. We are bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily, but we're at a high. We are, hold on, wait a second. So here went bullish, here went bearish, and we're bearish on the 4 hour. So, meh, nothing really interested. And honestly, no dogtail setup either so far, like even last week. It's just like, it's ugly market right now. All right, GPP CHF, let's take a look. Oh yeah, I was looking at this. I think it was on Friday. Yeah, I think it was on Friday. I did look at this, and it's like maybe for a day trade, because you got to keep in mind that the weekly is bullish. The daily is bearish. You have two area of interest here on the daily. So one's here, one's here. So if you look, so that's why I placed alert there. Here we got also the H4 goal. Oh, this is not valid anymore now. Okay, so let's delete this and let's change this. That's gonna be boom. Here we go. Perfect. So now let's update this to here. So daily didn't really add a pullback yet. So I don't know. It was looking nice on Friday when this closed because I was expecting a pullback. And now we just had like a booby trap candle yesterday. So let's see here. Like if the 4 hour give us a pullback, maybe. Meh. Okay, so suddenly this became less interesting. Okay, let's take a look at NZD CAD now. Weekly. Weekly is bullish since so fucking long ago. That daily doesn't have a top wick either. So there's a good chance we'll come back, or we're just going to deep down to have a pullback here on the daily. So once again, on the weekly, I mean, so daily, daily is about to flip bearish here. So yeah, not interested. So we got a weekly bullish, we got a daily bullish, but if this candle close like this, daily becomes bearish. 4 is now officially, actually a long time ago. Here we had, hold on, here we had an elbow here. So yeah, we are definitely bearish here on the 4 hour. Boom, let's change this to H4 lower low. So hopefully you guys are doing good, guys. As you're coming in, please don't forget to smash the goddamn like button. I'm gonna go check how the like button is doing in a few seconds, but guy, impress me here. And again, I know I'm repeating myself and the people that's been here for a while, but I'm not asking the likes for myself. I don't give a shit. I'm asking the likes to get the algorithm going so we can help a little bit more people, because there's so much bullshit out there on YouTube. It's crazy. And unfortunately, I don't know how there's so many. Anyways, I don't want to get into this. I don't get that these guys have to talk in front of thousands of people and say bullshits, just like, anyways. Okay, let's focus here. Entity CAD. Okay, not super interested now. Actually, fuck it, later. GCAD. GCAD weekly is bullish. Look like now we're having a start of the pullback. My main idea would be, where's my tools? Like, why is my toolbar now here? Like, I want it up here. What did I do? God damn. Up. Like, anyone knows how to... When I told you I'm not techie, I'm not joking, guys. Like, why is my toolbars now on the left side? I want it up here. What did I do? Fuck. Hold on, wait a second. Maybe... Fuck, guys. What did I do? Okay, fuck it. Okay, so what I want is very simple. The only thing I want, like, I really don't like this. I really, like, where's all my, like, I'm about to go crazy here. I'm really trying to, oh, it's like, oh shit, it's right here. It was hidden at the bottom of this. Why? Like, I don't know why this thing keeps moving. Sorry guys. Okay, so the thing I want is this, basically. So that would be my main thing. Okay, I want to pull back at the weekly areas of interest, which is also the weekly golden zone. That would be fire for probably next week or in 2 weeks. Unfortunately, next week I'm going to be on a cruise. So if this happened next week, I'll be very mad. But right now we do have support form with a doji here on the daily. So let me check here. So we did retest this resistance here, which I don't really consider as an elbow, but it is though a major QP. So let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Let's adjust that. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. What is... Ladies and gentlemen, is the like button defect or what? All right, so let's do this. Major QP. Here we go. So we did retest this major QP, which is also previous resistance right here to the left. Now, if you look at the daily time frame, we did establish support with the doji. We have the bottom wick. Okay, great. We're rejecting. Look at this. Look at this wick rejecting the safety, not the safety net, but the major QP on the dot. We're bullish on the daily. 4 hour is, oh shit, I didn't update this chart. Hold on, wait a second. So we went bullish from there to there. Boom, okay. And after that, we went bearish from here to here. And we do have a pullback. So we do have an elbow from there to there. And we went bullish right after. Cool. All right, so let's update this for high and for high low. I highly recommend you guys use those lines. It's just so much easier for the visual. I can just switch time frame to time frame. Look, I'm going to the daily. Boom. I know it's bullish because my lines are blue. I go to the weekly. It's bullish because my lines are blue. I go back. And so now we got 3 time frame in sync, which is kind of good. It's just sad that we don't have that big pullback here on the weekly. Plus, the only thing that get me effy on this, if I get into this trade, I will reduce my risk to probably 1%. And the reason why I want to tell you, it's because this candle already break previous low, indicating that there's more probability for price to continue to the downside. Plus, we're expecting a pullback to this area. But on the other end, as a day trade, it kind of makes sense also to have the pullback here to the upside. Since we did form support, we're probably at the golden zone right here on the daily. Let me check. Yeah, we're respecting the safety net to the T. Okay, so that's not bad. Now let's take a look. And we got a 4-hour bullish. Okay, so now let's see. We're right in that golden zone on H4. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're new here and it's the first time and you have a question or you don't know what the heck am I doing or saying, please ask. I'm here for that. I'll go check the chat in just a second, maybe a minute. Okay, so we're getting inside that golden zone now. So let's drop one time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour. Where are my lines? Ooh, it's been a while. Okay, let's put those up here. Okay, so 1 hour went bullish from here to here. All right, cool. So let's do this. Boom. And boom. All right, cool. And let's check the 30 minutes. Once again, the 30 minutes lines. Bam. Let's put it up here. Okay, so 30 minutes when they bullish from here to here. 30-minute bull, 30-minute bull. Here we go. All right, cool. So now we're finally inside that H4 golden zone. All time frames are bullish. Okay, so all time frame are bullish. So now the only thing I'm going to be waiting for, maybe on the 15-minute. Can we see? Boom, 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 boom. We're still bullish here. So even the 15-minute is bullish. Okay, so now I'm looking for. I'm gonna wait. I think 44. Not. I think I'm gonna wait to see if we can form support on the 4 hour. Since I cannot have a break of structure here on the lower time frame, or if I see a nice engulfing, like this was not engulfing, this wasn't engulfing right here. This was one, but after that, you're right at that resistance, so it's not exciting. So I would love to see like couple candles here coming down here, getting a smaller body candle, because you want to see the volume coming slower to the downside, and after the bigger to the upside. So that's why I will be waiting for that engulfing on the lower time frame after reaching that H4 golden zone. Okay, actually H1 engulfing will be actually better. Okay, so yeah, GCAD maybe for day trade, but lower risk since I'm expecting a lower pullback here on the weekly. Okay, so keep that in mind. So now let's go check the chat, see if we have any questions. Oh, I see the likes button working now. Thank you guys. Thank you. Damn, I posted the link and got deleted on Discord. Don't know why, or it's my glitch. Oh, maybe they don't allow it anymore. That's okay. No problem. No problem. What's QP stand for? Okay, QP is quarter points. Okay, so there's a quarter points theory. There's a full theory about that. It's something I explain also on my course, but there's a lot of things you can look for the quarter points theory. But most of the time, like the important thing to know that is those you can call that like bank level, psychological level. You can call them how you want, but you got the major QP are the 000s. You got the minor QP, which is the 250. You got the mid at 500, and once again at the major QP, you got the 750 and the 00. Okay, so there's a full theory about that, how you can trade those. So it's pretty interesting. I still use it at certain points. But most important thing is once you break one major QP, technically there's a big probability that you'll go visit the next major QP. I don't really understand why it's bullish. Can you explain it? You talking on the weekly? Or which time frame you wondering why it's bullish? Just so I can explain it. Legend, thank you. Thank you, man. Appreciate you. So just V2 150 1512. Sorry. So which time frame you're talking about? I'll wait another minute for your answer, and if not, I'll jump into another chart. So you say all time frame are bullish. Yes. Okay. So, but do you? Okay. So, Vitu, are you a new trader? So, do you know? Just, and this is not to make fun. Just to know where you're starting from. So, do you know? Do you mean like you don't understand what is bullish and what is bearish, or you don't understand why I'm seeing the time frame bullish? So, I just and again, this is just to clarifying things. Just trying to help like everyone the best I can. But technically, okay, so let's do this. So bullish means price going to the upside, bearish means price going to the downside. Okay. When you say it's bullish. Okay, cool. So very simple. I mean, if you look here, I mean, price here on the weekly time frame, okay, price is going to the upside, right? We're creating higher high, so this is nothing. High lows, higher high. Okay. So this is a higher point of this one. So this is bullish, right? This makes sense? Actually, here, yeah, that's fine. So here's just structure. So in between this point and this point, anything in between those 2 points here is just market structure. This is the higher high. This is the higher low. So everything we break this, we just create a new higher high. So this is the higher point. So this is bullish. So now if we go down to the daily, same thing. So same thing, price is bullish. Okay, so we're going up here, and creating a higher high. Here, there's a potential higher low. Okay, so this is where you want to take your trade, is always at a potential higher low, not at a high high. Now, if you go check the 4-hour time frame, okay, so 4-hour time frame here, price went bullish here, still bullish. Bam. Now we flip bearish by breaking this low. We create a lower low here. Once we broke this, we flip bullish. Okay, so now we got the pullback, which is a potential higher low to go to the upside. Okay. Put it bigger, it's going to be easier to see. Okay. And once again, same thing on a 1 hour. So 1 hour. So if you look, let's put it smaller just so you can see right here. So 1 hour went, let's say from there to there. Anything in between here, we don't really care because this is just market structure. Boom, boom. And once we broke under here, we flip bearish. We have a pullback here. Hold on, let me just put this bigger so now it's easier to see. Let's continue. So from there to there, we flip bearish, pullback, and here we got a lower low. Once we broke above here, we flip bullish, right? So now we are bullish from here to here. So hopefully that helped and that makes sense. If you have any more questions, let me know. All right, so now, I understand why you said, but okay. Yes. Now it makes sense, V2? Makes more sense? I got you back, guys. I got you back. Thanks. You're welcome, buddy. You're welcome. Okay, so now let's jump into GBP-CHF. GBP-CHF. Let's go. All right, so, we already talked about that one. So we did GCAD, we did GBP-CHF. Okay, so now let's do AUD-CAD. AUD-CAD weekly is bullish. Okay. Daily is still bullish. 4-hour is now 4 hours. What the fuck? Okay, I didn't update my chart. Okay, so 4-hour was bullish from there to there, and since we broke under this point, we're now bearish. Okay, so obviously I'm not interested of taking this to the upside since my 4-hour is bearish. I always want to go in the same direction of my 4-hour. So not interested in this one. Sayonara. And it am I speaking Japanese suddenly? NZD USD. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. So NZD USD, what the fuck? All right, so we're bullish on NZD USD on the weekly time frame, and we're just ranging. What the? We've been ranging for what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks now. Okay, horrible. Plus, look at this. Look at this candle here. No top wick. So there's a very, very, very high probability that this candle is going to create a top wick before coming down. Because most of the time you'll see, like, if you look at those, like there's exception, obviously, like this, even this one had a small one. I thought it had none. But there's exception sometimes. There's weekly candle with no top wick. But if you look at the chart right now, they are super rare. They are super, super rare. So yeah, but we're seeing a lot of rejection to this level. So I don't know. We shall see. I just don't like it. Now we're about to create a new lower low here on the daily. So weekly is bullish, right? Yeah, weekly is bullish. Daily is bearish. 4 hour is bearish at a lower low. So not interested. Later. I mean later. NZD CAD. Did we just talk about NZD CAD? Am I going crazy here? I think we just did, no? Yeah, we did. Later. All right, GU. GU weekly. All right, so GU weekly, we are bearish. We are yeah, we are bearish. Okay. So, oh man, I just hate when price is not trendy. It's horrible. Look at this. We're playing above that major QP right now. We're just bouncing back and forth from that major QP, which is also the weekly area of interest. Oops. So now let's take a look. All right. So weekly is bearish. Daily did create a new higher high here. And now we are bearish. Okay. You see with those lines, it's easier to establish trends, right? It's just for visual purposes, basically. What am I doing? Oh yeah, ADHD kicked in. Sorry, guys. There we go. Cool. So now we had a lower low here. On the daily, weekly is bearish. Daily is bearish. We're kind of retesting. Like, okay, so hold on. So price. No, hold on. Let's do this again. So here, price created a higher high. Boom. We flip bearish here. We come up, retest this structure, which is previous low. Okay. I don't like those small pullbacks. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like those small basic retests. Especially that the weekly. Oh no, we're not on this same pair session. Okay. Yeah, okay. Hold on. Let's go check the 4 hour then. Okay, so 4 hour is 4 hour is, yeah, we have a elbow here, here. All right. This is a FE elbow, really. Let's put it bigger. Yeah, okay. We got it. Still a small elbow, but not my favorite one. Let's go do lower low and lower high. Let's see now. Where is this pullback? Okay, so we went to that golden zone, ready to push down. So I think the trade is missed. I think the entry was like somewhere in here on the lower time frame. Let's go take a look on the 1 hour. So 1 hour was bullish. Boom, we flipped bearish. So here will be super low. So let's take a look on the 30-minute. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, no entry possible. Oh, actually, yeah, on this candle at like midnight 30. Yeah, so if you look here, we went bearish here, you know, bearish here. We got a small doji, small retest here, but it's really not that nice. Yeah, here would be nicer actually, like on this one. But it's a pretty big stop loss though, no? Let's see. Just for learning purposes. So you want to put stop above your structure. So 5 pips above, so that's 25 pips. Let's see if we can reach like at least 2.5 to 1. Um, okay, so now let's go take a look on the 4 hour. In daily actually. Yeah, I mean, I just don't like this here. Look at all this noise here to the left. So I don't know. Yeah, I don't. Like I keep telling people that wait for the real pullback. So, like, I'm not saying it's not gonna work, but if I do get in this kind of trade, of course I'm lowering my risk because I just don't like those small pullbacks. Like most of the time, I enter those trades, it went against me. So, but But if you wait for this candle to be closed engulfing, though, for this daily candle to be closed engulfing, now maybe, okay, now maybe that's gonna be nicer. Or even the nicest thing would be actually for daily to continue for a couple of days, come back up, retest here to continue down. That would be perfect. But my problem with that is now you're right at this major QP where you know there's going to be tons of rejection. So, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't just not in love. USDCHF. Let's go take a look. Weekly. Oh, let me go check the question here. Do we have any questions? Check out your NZD for sell my chart. Okay, so we'll go take a look after USDCHF. Okay, so USDCHF weekly, we are bullish. Hold on, wait a second. Yeah, we are bullish. Okay, so USDCHF, we are bullish. We created the double top here on the weekly. Look like we never came back to retest this neckline. Okay, so now let's take a look at the daily. Yeah, that sucks. That's something we planned last week. That's something we planned last week, guys. I don't know if you remember on the live session or during Forex Talk Over Beer. I can't remember. Oops, sorry. Was expecting a pullback here at this daily or this major QP. Look at this. My alert was set up here and price went like super close to my alert. So I never realized that sucks. But this was the plan. Oh, shoot. So I said it's either pull back to the major QP or pull back at the golden zone. And look at this. Bam, we went straight. And I'm guessing the major QP is the 382, if I'm not wrong. Is it? Yeah. Fuck. Oh well. It's part of the game. But the good thing though is we were right. We were fucking right. So now let's delete this because that's useless. Yeah, so shoot. Okay, so now let's just find out. Let's find out if there was an entry though. Okay, just for learning purposes, guys. Let's go take a look. So anything close to here. So let's go to 4 hour. So 4 hour went so from there, boom, boom, boom. Actually from there to there, we went bearish, bullish. Oh, so 4 hour, oh yeah, okay, boom, boom, okay, so 4 hour bearish pullback right here. So the entry has to be somewhere in here. Okay, so let's take a look. 1 hour. So 1 hour price went bearish from there to there. We have pullback. And look, this nice engulfing candle right here, you can take the trade. So when was that? This was on June 13 at 8 a.m. How the fuck did I miss that? Wow. Crazy. How the fuck did I miss that? I clearly missed it. Wow. I'm so mad. Oh well. All right, so we went through it. We analyzed it. So now what's up next for USDCHF? Is there anything else left for us? Let's see. Let's find out. Weekly. So now at this stage, I would love to see the weekly coming back up to retest this neckline and take the trade down. Um, daily. Right now, the daily is at a lower point. You know, we're creating a lower low, so we're gonna have to wait for the pullback for next week. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for this come up. Boom. Okay. So, all right. What's up with GMN? There's nothing very interesting so far. Um, weekly. What time is it? 8:13. Okay. So weekly bullish, daily bear. Fuck me, this is ugly. GN, fuck you, GN. Man, GN got me. Fuck you, GN, bro. Oh, I'm gonna so murder my screen right now. GN hurt me last week, man. Lost, I think. Lost. Did I lost 4%? I think I lost 4% on GN last week. Um, dude, I was so right on that trade though. Oh. You see, this is part of the game. It's been a while. I didn't have two losses in the same week, but it did happen last week. I tried to buy GN twice. Look at this. I got look where I got. Oh well. God damn, I was so right. Oh, terrible. That hurt my feelings. No, I'm joking. It just sucks. But the good things is fuck. I knew I was right. So again, so did I lost last week because I broke my rules because I did stupid shit? The answer is no. If the same setup show up again, I'll take it again. And if take me out, take me out. But this made sense and it still makes sense. But last week, two fucking major news event killed me, like CPI and fucking NFP and bullshit. Um, whatever. So now, can we have? Yeah, no, it's done. I should have checked the chart yesterday. I didn't check the chart yesterday. But if I would have taken a look at the chart, I would see that we have a nice engulfing candle on the daily now. But four are still bullish. Yeah, it sucks. Yeah, that really sucks. Now, the only thing that you can do when you see this is, let's say on the 2 hour, we have a pullback, and grabbing like a continuation trade. Okay, you lower your risk since you're already halfway in the move, but that's something you can do with experience. I don't recommend that to anyone that's new. All right, NZDGPY. Oh, and last trade after that, we'll go see. Actually, this sucks. We're at a high. Same thing with the day. Not interested. Okay, so let's go check Chris chart. Um, uh, bro, please, any analysis on gold? I can take a look. I don't really trade gold, but the same shit. It just moves so quick. It's like day trade and swing trade on gold is such a thing. There's so many news events that can impact gold. That is crazy. So many people blow their fucking account. A lot of people just want to trade gold because it looks cute on Instagram, and a lot of people trade gold. But yeah, I can take a look at it. It's the same analysis. I called a lot of trades on gold. That's been working out, so I don't care. Let's go check Chris chart first though, because he sent that first. So Euro NZD for sell. Okay, so let's go take a look at. Copy link. There we go. So oh, sorry guys, I need to put your So yours is K6NSRMT T. There we go. Oops. What the fuck? Okay, let's do this again. So we got K. Oh, I'm in caps lock, that's why. K6NSRMTT. There we go. Cool. So we got Euro NZD here from Krish on the daily time frame. So if we're looking at it, okay. So boom, 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 boom. Okay, so daily coming back to this daily golden zone. So weekly bearish, daily bearish, 4-hour bearish, waiting for H4. Oh, hold on. Okay, so we didn't went to Euro NZD yet. So this looks good. Let's go take a look at it. Euro NZD. Euro NZD, Euro NZD. Okay. Oh, you see, I had the same marking here. um Let's go take a look at the weekly. So weekly is bearish. Look at this. This is beautiful. Okay. You see, this is the kind of setup I'm looking for. This is perfect, Kirsch. You see, I had the same fucking marking here. The only thing that sucks though, we never came to the weekly. Yeah, I guess we kind of did a retest or the small retest, but yeah, I guess this one we can forget about it. What about major QPs? See the 5,000 here. So this weekly doesn't have any bottom wick too. So meaning there's a big probability of price will come down, create a bottom wick. Daily's having this pullback. All right. So let's establish the golden zone like Krish did. So same thing here. What? There we go. Okay. So now let's go take a look at the 4-hour. So 4-hour went bearish from here and from there to there. And now we are bullish. Right? So boom, boom, boom. Hold on. So yeah, correct. Okay, so now we're bullish. Okay, cool. All right, excellent. So now we just need now the 4-hour to go back bearish. Is that what you wrote? Waiting for H4 to go bearish. Exactly. Good job, Krish. Good job, man. Yep. So same shit here. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Actually, let me place an alert here. What am I saying here? H4. There we go. Boom. Excellent. All right, so let's put this actually green because it's only missing this. So this makes sense. So yeah, we had all the same marking, Krish. Good job, man. Oops, what did I do? There we go. Now let's go take a look at a 1 hour. 1 hour. Let's just update this very quickly. Perfect. Excellent. All right, so let's go check if we have any other things. I'm in a swing short. Okay, okay. You got some balls. We'll go take a look at it. Morning, Sasha. Hope you're in family day. Thank you, man. Thank you, I'm Yogi. Wishing you the same, buddy. All right. So, very quickly, let's go take a look at gold. So, we got the weekly that flipped bearish here. All right. Very ballsy after seeing like a weekly engulfing here, weekly with no top wick. There's a big chance for price to reverse here to create that top wick. Let's see. Plus you're at a lower low. So on the weekly, you definitely want to wait for that pullback, but that's just me. Now let's go take a look here. We got the daily bearish. We got no daily candle engulfing here. What are those price numbers? Yeah, okay. 4 hour. 4 hour went bearish. Hold on. Do we have an elbow here? Nah, not any elbow here. So here, so 4 hour still bearish. Cool. But we're mostly ranging in that area on the 4 hour. Okay. So you got your weekly, so you got all your time frame in sync, so which is good, which is really good. The only thing that I personally don't like is the fact that this weekly candle don't have any top wick. Last week we closed engulfing candle. So especially after seeing this support form with an engulfing candle, I would expect price to come back to this area here or this 382 right here. And I'm going to put black. Let's put black for 382. Yeah, so that would be the two area where I would expect a pullback here or here to come down. I'm not interested, personally, I'm not interested to take a trade here when we are very close to that support. Okay, so on this weekly. On the daily, we're starting to have this pullback. So once again, and we're respecting this area, but we don't have any engulfing candle here on the daily either. So yeah, not my favorite one for sure. Like again, I'm not saying your trade is not gonna work. I'm just saying like what's going through my mind. Um, uh, Eurocad. Okay, we'll go check a look. Take a look. Take a look. Sasha got new haircut. Yeah, man, fresh. Ready for the cruise. Ready for the cruise next week. I'm on the boat. I'm on the boat. Yeah, I don't know. I can't sing, right? Looking younger. I think it's the bear. Like I shaved it too short. My wife hates it. Um, talking about weight. Talking about the wifey. Mais je veux dire que t'es pas malade.
Tu ne veux pas garder là?
Ok.
C'est correct?
Ouais.
Je te suggérais de sortir les côtelettes de porc parce qu'elles sont gelées.
Ok.
Elles sont dans le frigo.
Ok.
Faudrait que tu restes comme 2-3 heures.
Et je m'en vais, moi, j'ai un nouveau douzaine.
Tu reviens après?
Je vais dîner avec. Fait qu'après.
Parfait. Quand tu reviens, sors-les. On va le DG pour mettre sur le barbecue.
Ok, parfait.
Moi, je vais te laisser pour les rappeler qu'il fait 45 aujourd'hui. Fait que s'ils passent s'entraîner ou s'ils vont marcher, ils seront fins, ils seront short. Mais ça se peut qu'on perde le combat.
C'est bon. Salut. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's see. Okay, what did we say here? I'm in short since 24. Oh, on gold. Nice, man. Awesome. Oh, see, if you're there for a long time. Okay, cool. Nice. Enjoy the ride, baby. Okay. Which cruise company are you going with? NCL, Norwegian Cruise Line. Those are my favorite. What's up? Oh, that's my dog. When my dog's hungry, he's able to open the door. Yeah, so NCL is my favorite one. I did Royal. I just didn't really like it. And I did Carnival, which was horrible. But NCL is the perfect in between. So it's not too young, not too old. A lot of activities. Food is fucking amazing. And yeah, so NCL, Norwegian Cruise Line, and the ship is this time is the fuck. I have a blank. I think it's a breakaway. Yeah. So it should be fun. Okay, so EuroCAD for 2 time frame in sync dating for sell. Okay, let's go take a look. So EuroCAD. It's hard to find good food on cruise. That's why I was asking. Oh man, it's usually they're known for good food. Well, it depends on which cruise ship. Carnival is horrible though. I'm not gonna lie. Like it's very basic. But NCL is amazing. Like the steakhouse, dude. The steakhouse. Like when you talk about a filet mignon, you're talking about a fucking filet mignon. Like it's so good. I mean, the buffet is like so good that you can eat at the buffet all week. You know, which is crazy. You know, like it's nothing compared to a buffet in the resort. Like nothing close to. Like the buffet is like eating at the restaurant. You know, it's crazy. So so yeah, no, the food is amazing on NCL. Really like it. Okay, so now, and you got 2 new ship that are a little smaller but very more high end. They're the Viva and the Prima. We did the Prima last year, and it was very nice. Um, yeah, I did like I think 14 cruises so far, something like that, but so much fun. All right, so let's see EuroCat weekly. So weekly is bullish. Since a while, we hit that weekly golden zone, and since then we've been pushing up. Looking at the daily is now bearish. Actually, not really an elbow here to the downside. So daily. All right, so we got a weekly bullish, the daily bearish. 4 is bearish. Okay. Oops. Let's see. So let's establish that weekly, not weekly, but H4 golden zone. Now let's go take a look on the daily. Daily, that would be in sync with that area of interest here. Daily area of interest. Okay. Yeah, I guess if you have the pullback there, that would make sense for a day trade since you're going against your weekly time frame. So yeah, I like this as a day trade. Chris, you're on fire today. What's up, man? Damn. Yeah, you want to see this. So now, let's place an alert like somewhere in here. I'm gonna say approaching because I put it a little closer. Approaching daily area of interest in H4GZ. There we go. So let's put this a little up here. Boom. Let's put it blue. There we go. Cool. All right. So I think that makes sense, man. That makes sense. Krish, you're on fire, buddy. So proud of you, man. How many days and night is the trip, Sensei? It's a week. So from Saturday to Sunday to Sunday? Oh boy. Saturday to Saturday to Saturday or Sunday to Sunday. I just can't remember. We're leaving from Miami, so definitely going to check them out. Thanks, bro. Yeah, no, NCL are great. And if you book with a balcony, you get like free Wi-Fi. You got open bar. You got two restaurant a la carte. You got $50 off on every port for excursions. You get so many stuff that they give you if you book a balcony. So you definitely want to book a balcony, anyways, no matter what. So yeah. Let's see. Can you look my chart analysis? Sure, man. What's your chart? Chris, Sasha, Sasha, me, and Chris do analysis together every fucking week. Yeah, man. Let's go. I give him my trace. I give him trace. Let's go, man. Send it over. Okay, so we're good. All right, cool. So once again, guys, there's only 2 spots left. Okay, so I'm gonna do a post either tomorrow or today about it. It's the price is locked in at $3.99 USD. And that give you. We're gonna do either a week of boot camp during the night, like a 2-3 hours during the night or morning, vice versa, or a full weekend. So depending on who's registering and where you guys are from, I'll try to take that in consideration and make sure that we are able to accommodate everyone. And that would be like probably not probably, it's going to be mid-July. So get ready. And mid or third weeks of July. Okay. There's one thing I need to double check. And what else I want to say? That's going to give you access to that boot camp, to the existing course plus recorded existing course plus a 3-month mentorship on a private Discord. Would you mind sharing the pricing of the trip of the week? My brother got Carnival for 7 days for 1,300 CAD. Jeez, I can't remember, dude. It's been a while. I'm gonna have to check. But because we're 3, right? So, or me, my wife, and the kids. So, should be around like 6K, I think, somewhere around there. I would say roughly. But Carnival's a little cheaper. Yeah, Carnival's a little cheaper, but it's not horrible. Like I shouldn't say that. It's just because I'm super picky now. It just says I see a huge difference between like the 2 companies, But Carnival's way younger though, way younger, more party, like, so, which is good for a lot of people. Like, I love to party, but not every night. Because I'm getting old, guys. I'm 42. I know I look young now, but but yeah. He has to go from. Oh yeah. The WFG trip. Yeah, nice. Hey, tell him I sent him a message though. He's supposed to call me back or get back to me. But all right, guys. So thank you so much for being in this morning. I appreciate every single one of you. Trade safe today. Trade safe this week, and I'll see you on Thursday night for Forex Talk over beer. Peace out, guys. Thank you.